Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the latest onboarding updates and on the joinings. First of all, we are going to talk about the onboarding updates from Tech Mahindra. That is, the Tech Mahindra has recently released the offer letters. After that, we are going to discuss about the DXC technology onboarding update that the company has again postponed the joinings. And after that, we are going to discuss about the Capgemini's onboarding update. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end to receive all the important information. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from my channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on my channel. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, as there is a lot of job opportunities that I post on Instagram as well. So let's start with our today's discussion. First of all, this is the update about DXC. So DXC technology has again postponed the onboarding for those who got the letter of intent in the month of July or August 2022. Please check your mails, even your spam folders. You might have received this kind of mail. In this mail, it is mentioned that, "Dear candidate, greetings from DXC technology. Hope you are doing well. This is to provide further update on your onboarding. We now have planned your onboarding in phased manner between the months of January to April 2023. Candidates who are pending training will be intimated on the curriculum and training dates in upcoming days. In the meanwhile, we request you to start with your foundation training at the earliest if it is pending. Please wait for the further information, updates on joining, trainings, dates for the next steps. Appreciate your patience." So if your foundation training is remaining, please make sure that you do it. Also, if you are awaiting any other response from the company or any other result from DXC, let me know in the comment section and I will update on that too. Also, if you have any other update than this related to DXC, please mention in the comment section so that all of our subscribers will get benefited. Moving on to the next onboarding update, which is from Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra is sending the offer letter and the date of joining is 31st of January for phase 3 people. So phase 3 people, those who completed their interviews in the months of April 2022. So please check your mails, okay? So this is the mail. "Congratulations. With reference to your application for employment and subsequent discussion we have had, we are pleased to issue the employment offer letter as an attachment to the mail. The attached letter is self-explanatory in all aspects related to your employment and would provide clarification on many aspects. Notwithstanding, should you need any more clarification, please feel free to drop a mail to freshersquery@techmahindra.com. So if you have any query, if you are even waiting for your offer letters or joinings, please mail to this email ID and they will reply to you, and we will revert to you with clarification at the earliest. Please note that on the day of joining, bring a copy of offer letter duly signed as a token of having accepted this offer and submit same to HR SPOC at the joining venue. We take this opportunity to welcome you to Tech Mahindra World of Connected. With best regards, RMG team." So basically a very good news for all the candidates who are waiting for the results of Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra already has previously mentioned that we will start giving the offer letters and the joinings from the last week of December, and they have started doing so. We can see that there was a joining given in the last week of December, and again they have given joining dates and started giving the joinings and offer letters to the candidates. So again, there is another information from Tech Mahindra itself, that is, Tech Mahindra has started sending the offer letter for second phase batch also, those who completed their interviews in the month of April. So again, the same mail is sent to the candidates. Also, these two mails were received in a gap of like 4 to 5 days. So previously last week the company has sent this mail, and after some time, 4 to 5 days, company has sent the other mail that I have read previously. So now talking about the candidates who had completed their interviews in the month of October and November. So as of now, not many has received any update about that. If you are any one of them who has received your offer letter or any update, if you have given your interview in the month of October, please let me know in the comment section so that I will update to the entire audience of our channel so that they will get benefited. So this was the update from Tech Mahindra. Now talking about the update from Capgemini. So Capgemini onboarding is planned between May to June. Those who got their letter of intent in the month of March 2022, please check your mails and check your spam folders too. So this is the mail that the company has sent. Dear candidate, greetings from Capgemini. Your onboarding is planned in May-June 2023. You'll receive an offer letter and further communication in Jan-Feb 2023. So Capgemini update is expected in the month of January or February, and they will try to onboard as many candidates up till June. Previously the company has sent a similar kind of mail in which they have mentioned that they will try to onboard as many candidates as possible till April to May, and now they have given the another estimation month, which is May to June. So let me know if you have any other doubts apart from this related to Capgemini. So with this we have come end to of this video. If you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you are waiting for your joining for any other company, let me know in the comment section, and make sure to join us on different social media platforms. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. Also, even if you are waiting for your joinings or offer letters, please make sure that you apply to all the off-campus drives that are currently going on, because this is a tough time, and we know that due to high recession many companies are even terminating candidates, and you never know when what might be the scenario when you join the company, right? So because of this, I regularly upload these kinds of off-campus drives, and it is very easy to apply for the drives. What you need to do is you need to click on this link in bio. Once you click on this link in bio, you will get this latest job links, and when you click on this, you will get a complete information about all the latest job updates. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the job and you need to apply for that job. So this is a very simple procedure that I am doing for all of the freshers who are looking for the jobs. So make sure that you get advantage of this thing that I'm doing for all of you, and also share all of these things with your friends so that they can also get benefited. Thank you, and all the best for your upcoming joinings.